Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install your SIM card into DJI. As you can see right here, DJI Spark. It's really easy. It's on this side right here. You'll need to remove this cover first by pulling on the bottom. You just pull it on it, and there's your SIM card slot and their charging spot. It's at the same spot where the power button or the check battery, as you can see. So you click, my memory card is already inside, so you click on it and it comes out, and you just pull it out and it shows which way it's supposed to be in. So you hold like this and you just stick it in this way. Push it in. When it clicks, it's inside, and then you just cover this, put the card back in, and you have it installed, and remove your SIM card, memory card on the DJI Spark. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.